Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. I love guitar and I practice a lot, but when I hear all these amazing guitar players in YouTube, I get really discouraged. So here we have something I hear from a lot of young students, people that really love guitar and they love the sound, they love practicing, they love getting better, but then when they go and watch YouTube videos or they listen to other guitar players, they will listen to an amazing guitar player and get totally discouraged. So what can you do about that? There's not something you can actually do about it, because you're just looking about it really the wrong way. The way you look at it is as a form of competition. Now, when you learn an instrument, you're always in competition, but not the competition you think. You are not in competition with any other guitar player. You are in competition with yourself from yesterday, from last week, last month, and last year. So you do want to be better, but you want to be better than what you were yesterday and in the past. So what can you do with all these amazing guitar players? Should you stop listening to them? Should you stop watching their videos on YouTube? Absolutely not. You should still watch their playing and try to learn from them and use those amazing players as inspiration, because that's the way to go about it. Amazing players are there to inspire you with what can be done with this instrument and to encourage you to practice even more or to practice more creatively. They're not there to discourage you, they're not trying to make you feel bad or anything like that. They enjoy music, they love guitar playing just like you do, and they've practiced a lot to reach this high level and be able to create good music. And this, I have to repeat now, should be something encouraging to you, not discouraging. It really should be an inspiration. So basically, what you really need to do is to reframe how you view this in your mind, because the problem is not with the other players, is that you think you are in competition with them while you're not. Nobody's competing with anybody in the music in an artistic sense. Sometimes you might compete with someone for a specific gig, for a specific job, but that's a totally different business-related thing. It doesn't have to do with music. So, to make a long story short, just get a lot of inspiration and encouragement by watching these players. Don't get discouraged. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Bye bye.